Lost your ASIN to an IP complaint? Follow these expert tips to get it back. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 2 extra pro tips to make sure your appeal is approved. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon, and the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Now, number 1 is you need to go to your account health. So log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go to account health, performance, account health. And we want to see, okay, what type of notification are you getting? Is it because of trademark? Is it because of patent? Is it because of copyright? Is it a counterfeit? Somebody did a test buy and said that your item was a counterfeit? Or is it something else? So you need to identify which one of these 5 is it. And kind of you can go through your account health and see what is it that's showing up. So click on it. Is it trademark infringement, copyright, patent? What's going on? So number 2, we're going to start with copyright infringement because it's the easiest to fix. So if it was copyright infringement, then what you're going to do is simply just go to EHP Consulting Group, go to our YouTube channel. You're going to go to videos, go to search, and just type in the words DMCA. And I'm going to teach you how to file a DMCA counter notice. And that's the easiest way to get your copyright infringement removed. It does take like 15 days, but it does work. And this is one of the easiest ways to fix copyright infringement. Number 3 is going to be trademark infringement. Trademark infringement is also pretty easy to fix. So if you have a trademark infringement, pretty much either your packaging, your images, your title, your bullet points, your description, your back-end keywords, something has the trademark in it and you need to remove it. Now, to get it removed, what you need to do is identify where it's at. So get on the phone with Amazon, say, hey, I need to speak with the catalog team. And just like this item, if it has the word McDonald's in its title, obviously it's trademark infringement. So you want to contact the catalog team and say, hey, there's this keyword, it's McDonald's. Can you look through my entire listing and help me get that keyword removed? The catalog team, if they like you and they actually know how to do their job, they will help you and remove everything from the listing. They'll also send you a follow-up and say, hey, everything has been removed. This keyword McDonald's is gone. You're gonna take a screenshot of that, a screenshot of proof, and then you can submit it to Amazon in a plan of action and be like, hey, look, I actually removed this. I didn't know, and stuff like that. Number 4 is going to be patent infringement. Patent infringement is very difficult to appeal, unfortunately. It's just a lot harder. So you got 2 types of patents. You got a design patent, and then you have a utility patent. Utility patent, they pretty much have to sue you. So most of the time, if you are getting removed for a patent, it's going to be because of a design patent. So here's an example. This is a product on Amazon that's violating a design patent. And you can just go and see that here's the design patent right here. You can see it's like the exact same device. And then here is one of our clients. Here is one of our clients, and you can see their item right here. So this is their patent, and this is a fake. So we could submit infringement for design patent, get this item removed, bada bing, bada boom. They're not really going to have much of an option. So the first thing that you want to do if this does happen is for a patent, you're going to have to hire an attorney. And the attorney really needs to see, are you actually violating their design patent or their utility patent? If you're not, then you want to, whatever you paid the attorney, you want to save that invoice. The attorney needs to actually write a letter that says you are not violating the patent and explain why with images if possible. So they can explain why, have a letter. Then you can include that in your plan of action that you actually paid an attorney. You tell them who the attorney is, what firm it is, where they're located, and you attach that letter. And that's going to help you get that mitigated and get that taken off your account. It is very difficult and it is more time consuming, but it is possible. And then number 5 is just a straight up counterfeit. So let's say you're selling a Monopoly and you're selling a fake, the customer says, this is a fake Monopoly, or somebody buys your product and reports you and says they're selling a fake Monopoly, things like that. Those ones are difficult to get removed as well, and most certainly you'll end up suspended. But there is a way around it, especially if your product is authentic. Now, You need to answer these questions and put these in your plan of action. Now, first, are you an authorized reseller? If you are, you need to provide documentation that you're an authorized reseller. But here's an example of a client that's potentially selling a Stanley, and somebody said that their Stanley was fake. And I'm gonna go through and how they got their counterfeit approved. And we all know this Stanley Cup. So here you go. Are you an authorized reseller? No, I am not an authorized reseller for Stanley, but I do order all of my items from an authorized distributor or authorized reseller. Are your suppliers authorized distributor? Yes, my supplier is, and I provided proof. So here's the proof. I also put a screenshot that shows that they are an authorized distributor. So find out if your item is an authorized distributor. Where are they located? They're going to want to know where they're located. How long have you been doing business with them? You're going to put how long you've been doing business with them, so that increases your credibility. Are you selling this brand new? You better be selling these items brand new. So yes. Do you have these items on hand? Yes, I have these items on hand, and then we ship them directly to Amazon FBA. Now you're going to attach the invoice related within the last 6 months from that authorized distributor. Screenshot that shows they are authorized. And then I also put a note, and I'm going to show you pictures of all of these, or everything except for the invoice, but I'm going to show you pictures. The product in question, Stanley, has had several negative reviews directly on the website. So this helps increase the credibility. So what we did at the end, we put this into an appeal, but you want to try to answer these questions yourself, because then you add them into your own appeal, which we'll go over, and this is going to help you in getting approved, because you're talking to a human, right? So we provided all of this, and at the end, what we also said is, by the way, on Stanley's website directly, we look at the product that our client was selling, and we look at the item on Stanley's website, and we saw on Stanley's website that the same product directly on the actual manufacturer's website had a 1-star review. Everybody's saying it's horrible quality. It looks fake, even though they bought it directly from Stanley. Cute but cracked. Look, this already looks fake. So we told them, and you can find negative reviews of your product. Be like, we found negative reviews, like it looks fake, but it's not fake. It's a manufacturer defect. The manufacturer did not do proper quality assurance on any of their items for this. Put screenshots. Please see the additional customers' reviews. Say, the manufacturer's lack of quality insurance team caused this product to have so many complaints to be misconstrued as counterfeit. So that's kind of going to be your discussion with Amazon, is you want to provide all of this and be like, by the way, it's not us. The manufacturer did not do quality assurance. So we did that, and then we provide pictures. First, we provided a picture on Stanley's website that shows that they are an authorized distributor. We went to Stanley's website, we looked at the negative reviews, and we actually provided screenshots that show people are like, I can't believe this is real. This is the worst thing. Look, it even says awful production of product and customer service. Quality control needed. If you review this instantly, you're going to be like, what? When you attach anything to your appeal, make sure you also include, make it idiot proof, aka if you attach a screenshot, put actual manufacturer reviews #1, right? Make it idiot proof, so before they open it, they're not like, what is this, right? Make all of your appeals idiot proof, and that's going to help you. Number 6 is sometimes you have a special phrase that's causing Amazon to think that it's inauthentic. So just go through, call again the catalog team and say, hey, there must be a phrase or something that's causing an issue within my Amazon item, and that is what's causing the item to be misconstrued as counterfeit. And for staying till the end of the video, I do have some pro tips. My pro tip is to first call the health account specialist. So be like, what is the issue? Try to figure out. They know what the issue is. They're also able to escalate it. So if you appealed so many times and it's not getting approved, and you call them and they're like, I don't know what else you need. You have everything. Ask them, be like, hey, I know you have the power to escalate it to a higher up. Can you re-escalate this? And they do have the power to escalate it to a higher up to get your appeal approved. And of course, last but not least, you can escalate it to an executive. Now, you don't want to escalate it to an Amazon executive until you've done everything, you've done multiple appeals, and you call Amazon Health Support and they're like, you've literally done everything, you know, just wait, I don't know. Then you say, look, I called, this is what happened, this is what we're going through, like this needs to get pushed through, we're selling legitimate items. And then here are some of the emails you can email. You would email them all one at a time directly. Make sure the emails are properly structured. Here's an example of the email subject: account request, reinstatement request, and then you just put whatever the issue is very briefly. And you want to have a little plan of action. It needs to be short and sweet, 1 page or less. And here's an example of a plan of action: Dear Amazon Health, Dear Amazon Seller Performance Escalations Team. If their name is, you know, Andy, put Andy, right? You don't have to put Dear Andy, right? And then you put that little explanation, if you want to add some more, the situation follows, 1, 2, 3. To substantiate my claim, 1, 2, 3. Put a little summary, your company name, your surname, your phone number, and bada bing, bada boom. You have to wait around 15 to 30 days. And you can see here I am in an old video, but at 15 days, one of our clients, we sent this, we just sat there and waited, and then after 15 days, the account was automatically reinstated. So it does happen, and it does help. You just need to really take your time on these. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to be helping you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with suspension, getting reinstated, or anything regarding Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. This is what we specialize in, and we work with thousands of clients. Our #1 best service is our full account management, where we make sure your account doesn't get suspended. We call Amazon for you. We help with your advertising, your customer service, design, optimization, and everything in between to make sure your Amazon sales are growing and not declining. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of ehpconsultinggroup.com, and I'm signing out.